Here's the easiest way to disassemble a Mark III. Make sure your gun's on fire, magazine's out, and it's not cocked. Here you might need to use a paper clip. You also may need to tap the slide locking bolt here. Once you remove it enough times, you don't need to tap it out. Hold the gun upright, pull the trigger, here comes the bolt. And then what you want to do here is this sort of motion. It's disassembled. Now you can clean it. I'm not going to go through disassembling this. Let me show you. Reassembly is pretty simple. Make sure your hammer is flat like this. You want it flat. Take your barrel, then you just lock it back in. Your bolt, just drop it in, hold the trigger, make sure it's aligned. If it doesn't want to go in, make sure the slide releases down. There, it's in. Okay, the hardest part of putting the Mark III back together is putting the slide stop bolt and hammer spring in. Go ahead and put it in. Put it until all the way up till it stops and it's through the slide. And then in its default location, you'll see it kind of pops itself out. That's because the hammer has to be in a specific location for it to want to work right. So what you do is, the easiest way to get it to work right is put a magazine in, cock it, release the slide, hold it down, pull the trigger, release the trigger. There, see how it kind of kicked itself? Now you're not going to be able to put this down until you release the slide. Take it out because it's in the way. Now you see how there's no resistance? That's bad. You don't want to lock it there. If you lock it there, it's a real pain in the butt to get it unlocked. Your gun's not going to function right. What you want is you want a springiness when you go to shut it. Right there. See that springiness? How it doesn't just go in. There's tension. This hammer has to be in a specific spot, otherwise this won't lock, or if it does lock without the springiness, the gun won't function. So go ahead and lock it in. Test functionality. Should be able to cock it, release it, pull the trigger. Safety. Also, can't pull the trigger unless the magazine's in. That's how you do that. Now for my next video, I'm going to show you how to fix it if you accidentally lock it without the springiness tension.